Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, Aventura sent me another product. This is a free product. This is a paid shoppable video. And what better time of the year to get your cigar aficionado in your life some gifts? And they've got some great cigar gifts out there. You know, whether it's a businessman or just a smoker on the back porch. There's so many things that if you have a cigar lover in your life, they're just the gifts just are endless that you can get a cigar lover. So here today we have a desktop cigar cutter. So you can see the packaging is really nice. Something you can send straight from Amazon if you really wanted to. It just popped up. So, and it is by Cigar. And if you open this up, it kind of wants to pop up because it's a pop-up. You have this beautiful desktop cutter. What a nice cutter. It's got a place on the bottom to empty the cuts out. And it has a angle cut, V cut, a large flush cut, and a smaller flush cut. Really nice. This has some heft. I'm just telling you, this has some serious heft to it. I mean, for a paperweight too on a desk, it goes at least a pound. It's very nice. And to use it, you just pop it up. So I'm going to show you the different cuts. I will show you a V cut first. I'm not going to waste two cigars, but I'm going to show you the V cut first. So you just put it right down here. You press into the V cut and just push down. And then it comes out with a perfect V cut. Very nice. Very nice V cut. If you're a person that wants a guillotine cut, a nice flush cut, you just push this right up here into the flush cut and push her down. Look at that. Nice. Is that nice or what? Very, very nice. Beautiful. So if you have a cigar aficionado in your life, you've got a V cutter, and it's under 58 or 68 ring gauge and under 58 ring gauge guillotine cut for the desk. Kind of a pineapple outside, gold, just exudes class. Go out and get them this desktop cigar cutter. It's awesome.